Hello steamer, St. Paul Steam here. I got done making this windmill yesterday and playing around with it, and thought I'd hook it up to my little steam-driven Waterloo boy. Of course, it's running on compressed air right now. And let's take a closer look. Going into a non-functioning water pump. Has two roller ball bearings on both sides of the pulleys. It turns over very efficiently. Belt driven all the way up to the top here. And we put a pulley right there. And I've also threaded the stud on the turret so it can't turn and it's in place. I really like these windmills. They just, for the price, they're a nice little steam item. Of course, they're very tedious to put together. Those little nuts and bolts, if you ever build one, start at the top and work your way down, because your hands won't be able to fit in there. But really fun transfer projects. And fun to play with. Thanks for looking.